In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. If you've been using QuickBooks Online, you might have noticed that its interface sometimes changes, leading to a bit of a learning curve. However, if you prefer the Classic View for its familiarity and ease of use, you're in luck because I'll guide you through the steps to switch back and keep it that way. First, let's begin by logging into QuickBooks Online with your credentials. It's essential to have your login information handy so we can dive right into the settings without any delay. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which, though it might be in the new layout, still provides quick access to all the functions you need. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the menu. You should see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on this. The Reports section is such a vital part of managing your finances. It offers crucial insights into the financial health of your business. Reports are fundamental, so it's worth becoming familiar with this section if you're not already. Now, once you're in the Reports section, find the Profit and Loss report. This is one of the most commonly used reports, providing an overview of your company's revenues, costs, and expenses over a particular period. Click on Profit and Loss to access this specific report. You might be wondering why we're heading to this report specifically. It's because this is often where you'll find the option to switch back to Classic View. Once the report is open, look towards the top right corner of the page where you can spot an option called Switch to Classic View. Sometimes software updates can feel daunting, but having the choice to revert to what you know and are comfortable with can make your workflow more efficient. So go ahead and click on Switch to Classic View. And just like that, you're back in the familiar Classic View. Returning to this view can streamline your processes, saving you time as you navigate through QuickBooks Online with the interface you're used to. If at any point you would like to go back to the newer version, you can always find the option to switch views again. These few steps ensure that your QuickBooks experience remains intuitive and efficient, tailored to your preferences. With this setup, you're ready to continue managing your finances with ease and confidence. Remember, keeping your workflow in a style that suits you best is essential in maintaining productivity. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!